Hello and welcome to E Prime. Now, in an update, reggae artist Jacure was brought before a Netherlands court earlier yesterday. Reports are that Jacure is currently facing charges including attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault. According to the Netherlands Public Service, the examining judge ordered that the suspect in the incident be placed on remand for 14 days while the police investigation continues. Jacure will remain in custody without bail in the detention center. Dancehall artist Alkaline is making waves with his newly released single Sail Off. The track gained over 1.5 million views and has earned the #1 trending song since its release on YouTube in late September. Sail Off has started on the Apple Music charts, where it holds the #12 spot and various chart placements in Jamaica. The track also has the top 5 spots with additional placements throughout the North American region. Since the track was released, fans online speculated that the track is aimed at making a mockery of his musical rival Skilly Bang. The Vendetta DJ has also performed across the tri-state area and graced the stage in Panama City, Florida. That's Sail Off. On the international scene, now, streaming platform YouTube on Tuesday banned 2 official channels belonging to singer R. Kelly following his conviction for sex trafficking. The singer's 2 official accounts, R. Kelly TV and R. Kelly Vivo, have both been shut down with more than 5 million people subscribed to both channels. The video sharing platform said the permanent suspension of the channel tied to R. Kelly is in accordance with their creator responsibility guidelines. However, Google's YouTube will continue to offer R. Kelly's catalog on the audio streaming service YouTube Music. The removal follows years of protest from the Mute R. Kelly movement. Long before the singer was indicted in 4 separate jurisdictions, the effort called to ban his music over long-standing abuse allegations. Social media platforms Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram have also recently deleted R. Kelly's official accounts. In September, R. Kelly was found guilty of racketeering and sex trafficking. He is currently in lockup and faces up to life in prison, with the sentencing hearing scheduled for May 4. I'm Deidran reporting for E Prime.